Podría is a conjugation of the verb poder, meaning could. Podía is also a conjugation of the verb poder, meaning could. In this video, I'll show what the difference is between them. Podría is the first person singular and third person singular conjugation of the conditional tense for the verb poder. Podría is used to express hypothetical situations or possibilities and is similar to the words may or might. Ella podría ir al cine contigo mañana. She could go to the movies with you tomorrow. Ella podría ir al cine contigo mañana. Yo podría cantar más si tuviera más tiempo. I could sing more if I had more time. Yo podría cantar más si tuviera más tiempo. Podía, on the other hand, is the first person singular and third person singular conjugation of the imperfect tense, pretérito imperfecto, for the verb poder. Podía is used to describe actions or situations in the past that were ongoing or habitual, and can also be translated as was able to. Yo podía dormir mucho cuando era joven. I could sleep a lot when I was young, or I was able to sleep a lot when I was young. Yo podía dormir mucho cuando era joven. Mi abuelo podía hablar francés con fluidez. My grandpa could speak French fluently, or my grandpa was able to speak French fluently. Mi abuelo podía hablar francés con fluidez. Summary: podría means could in the sense of may or might. Podía means could in the sense of was able to.